Hey there! Lots of you have been wondering which phone case heat press kit to pick. So today, we're unboxing 3 of our most popular kits: Standard Kit A or B, Beginner Kit, and Startup Kit. Let's find the perfect match for your next project. First, let's check out the Standard Kit A or B. Other than the phone case modes it's designed for, the accessories inside A and B actually exactly the same. Now, let's open one of the boxes and take a closer look at what's inside. 1 roll of heat-resistant tape, a pair of tweezers, 1 pair of heat-resistant cups, 3 58mm sublimation badges, badge fixture set, 5 sheets of A4 sublimation film, phone case fixture set for iPhone, and of course a user manual card. The QR codes link to the user manual, software download, and our friend community. And now, meet the real hero of the kit, the H17 phone case heat press. So this is what you find inside the standard kit. Quick note, this cannot include blank phone cases, but compatible phone cases are available on the HTVRONT website. If you don't want to choose between iPhone and Android, then the beginner kit is definitely your go-to. Its biggest highlight is that it comes with both modes in one kit, plus bonus blank phone cases. This ready-to-go experience is perfect for the beginners who just want a hassle-free setup. No more talking, let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, a box of blank phone cases. Then we have the safety trio, heat-resistant tape, heat-resistant gloves, and the handle-loaded pair of tweezers. Next, the badge prepare set with blank badges. A fun way to change things up if you get tired of making phone cases. Here comes the highlight, phone case modes for both iPhone and Android. Adding the essential sublimation film. And finally, the ultimate beginner helper, the user manual card, and also the QR codes linked to the user manual, software download, and fan community. Next up, here's our H17 machine. This is what you'll find inside the beginner kit. In short, it's the ultimate hassle-free solution. No need to worry about the phone models. Just unbox and get started. For beginners, this is definitely our top recommended kit. Of course, if you're a small batch seller looking for the best value, you might want to check out the Startup Kit. The machine is exactly the same, but accessories upgrade significantly, giving you more bang for the buck. For example, the sublimation film goes from 5 sheets to 20, phone cases double to 12, and badges increase to 9. If you want to maximize the profit from the start, this kit is definitely the smarter choice. And just a look at everything inside the Startup Kit. So whether you're a hobbyist or a future business owner, there's a kit here for you.